every brother that's caught in the crossfire. That's caught in the crossfire.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to our brand new vlog. Alright, guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali Khan, and you're watching Ali Khan Vlogs. It's 10 p.m. a.m. right now. I just woke up, and if you're wondering why am I making a vlog 10 a.m. in the morning, it's because right now my mom is making pancakes. Is about to make pancakes. She is getting the ingredients for the batter for the pancakes. We're about to make pancakes. I know it's not that surprising, pancakes, homemade. Obviously, pancakes are made at home, but I'm just gonna make a vlog for homemade pancakes because I want to. So, yeah, let's go and make some pancakes. तो इस तरह से करना पड़ेगा.
पतला हो गया ज़्यादा इतना ये बहुत पतला हो गया बैटर आज. फ्लोर और डालेगा अगले में डालते हैं.
स्प्रेड हो गया.
हो गया ना. देखो बाहर तक जा रहा है. अब इसको बंद कर दो. अब ये रेड पे है मतलब कुक हो रहा है. जा रहा है
बिल्कुल भी. स्वान भी ट्राई कर रहे हैं. उसको पहले स्प्रेड होने देना.
ये खाओ.
स्प्रेड होगा. नहीं वो भी स्प्रेड हो रहा था. ज़्यादा ना हो जाता ना. First pancake goes to Ismail. First bite going in. How is it? करने वाला खत्म कर लो. ये माइक है, मुक्का नहीं वो करने को कहा. कैसा है?
अच्छा.
कैसा?
अच्छा.
10 में से कितने रेटिंग रिव्यू दोगे?
9.
9? एक कम क्यों?
क्योंकि को तोड़ना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है और मेरे पास ये थोड़ा सा कम है.
Right, that was the review of Milo Master. Okay, now I'm gonna go get a haircut because my hair is long AF, and then I'm gonna go with my mom, do some shopping, etc, etc. So I'm gonna be back with my haircut. I really don't want to cut my hair because I really love my long hair, but I have to. So yeah. Alright, update. As I told you in the last clip that I wanted to go to cut my hair, and then I have to go with my mom to do shopping, but I just ate the pancakes because the pancakes were already made, and if I went to go get a haircut, then I would come back, it would be cold, so it would have been that fun. So I just ate the pancakes. It's 12 p.m. right now. My mom said she's late for shopping, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go shopping, and after shopping I'm gonna come back and then cut my hair, so I have more time with this long hair. I'm happy. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna see you guys in the next shop. Alright, I needed some jackets and hoodies. I'll go home and show you guys I got from Outfitters. Got them from Outfitters. Alright, we are here in Hyperstar right now. I'm that typical jolly guy right now. I was about to take Milo to drink it, obviously, and the lady worker over here said you should try this Prima milk. It's more chocolatey. and I drink it, and Milo is definitely more chocolatey. So this is false advertisement. I can sue Hyperstar for this. It's not tasty at all. Guys, I just got back home and I bought some stuff from Outfitters, and I'm about to show you guys what I bought. This is the first screw neck that I got, and on the back it is written "Good times never last." So on to the second piece. This one is an upper, and this has its world logo, and at the sleeves it is written "Keep calm, move faster." I don't know what that means, but I just bought it for the color and its texture. And the third one is this zipper jacket, button type jacket, simple maroon color and gray with these buttons. This is all I got. And yeah, now I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna go and finally get my hair cut, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time with a new vlog. Till then, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up.
Peace out!
Till then, peace out.